guys. Hello. Hey.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey guys, what do you do? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie, and I am back again with another video. Yes guys, since we are all staying home all day doing basically nothing, and
hey,
it is
it's
corona
time
time.
right now.
It's corona time. We are not going out. I'm not going to be wasting my braiding hair. I'm going to be doing my braids with my own hair. And yeah guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And without further ado, baby boo, let's get into this video. Spray bottle. I'm just going to start from the back and work my way up. I do have a bald spot or whatever it is right here. For this hairstyle, I'm not gonna try too hard to make it like straight and stuff because it's too, and I like the rough look, so I am waiting for it to actually get rough. So for now, I am done with the first layer of the back. It might not be the best. I don't see it. I can't see it. But yeah, I'm done. I am proud of myself so far. That's a joke. I'm not. You know what? Let me do like 2 more lines and then I'll go back to you guys. How about that? I have done it to this point. And basically, I'm just going to take you guys through the process of doing one braid. I'm actually gonna pat the front for the little cornrows I want to do. So I have parted the front. I have parted it away. And I just have to do individuals on all of this. My hair is already stiff and spongy. Hey guys, so I am basically done up to here, as you can see. So just small squares and stuff. Look different. I know I look like a baby. But yeah, this is it. I have this to do. And I just have this row left, just like 4 braids. This right here is 4 braids. Okay guys, so I am done with all of the individual braids, and this one is going to be a little bit of a cornrow, then it goes back towards the individual braids, and I'm going to do like half or more than half of it and give back to you guys so I can show you guys how I do like 2 or 3 of them. Okay guys, so I am done with like this side of the front and this side too, and there's just 3 left. 1, 2 and 3. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the cornrow to the back, and basically that's it. Hey guys, so this is day 2. I did finish my hair yesterday, but I was too lazy to like film any other thing, and it was like early in the morning. This is the hair. This hairstyle takes me back to my Nigerian high school days, but I'm kind of feeling it. It's different. But yeah guys, we have gotten to the end of this video. I hope you guys like the final result, because I kind of do like it, not fully, but I'm gonna go on to it. See ya, Kasha, later boo. Yeah, baby. We're here for this. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 ew.